Hello guys, Steve here, RC. I'm with the BBX Beauty, and we're gonna give it a GPS speed test. I'm charging up the batteries in my GPS unit also. This got it's called a Swift 21 turn motor. It's from Nitro Hobbies. I don't know how fast it's gonna go. I don't know about the gearing in here. So we're gonna go to the park on the drag strip, and we're gonna do the GPS test and see how it goes. And then later on, I'm gonna do a test run in the sand and stuff and see how hot the motor gets and stuff like that. So let's get to it. Charge everything up. This beauty here, I never ran it because the weather's been so crappy. We're gonna go to the park and see how fast this 21 turn motor goes. I don't know about the pinion gear. Like I said, I don't know what I got in there, but I'm not looking to make it a speed demon anyway. So we're gonna go see how fast she goes. I'll meet you there. All right guys, I made it to the park. We got the BBX here. We got the speed meter here, the GPS. Let me hook this up, tape it on somewhere, and we'll hit the speed run. All right guys, I got it on. I just gotta hook my battery in real quick. Hold on a second here. Turn my radio on. Hook the battery up. Then we'll do this test and see what happens. It's on 2S. Let me check my steering. Oh, that servo is really quick. I gotta be careful with it. Alright. Switch right here. I don't even know if the car's going straight. I didn't test nothing. Let's check if the GPS is even working. Yep, it's working. Here we go. It's going to the right. Rather it's going to the left. It's not that fast. It's only a 21 turn. I probably had the gearing wrong. It's smooth though. Let's see what it is. I knew it was gonna go 18 miles an hour. I may have to gear it up, I don't know. But try it in a different area here. Oh, it's slow, guys. It's really slow. I'm gonna have to gear it up or get a new motor for this thing. Whoa. Yeah. Oops, in the way. Can you see that? Let me see. 18. Where is the damn thing? 18.5. Let me try something on my radio really quick. I want to see something if I have the throttle throw up to 100%. Throttle high point. It's on 100%. Let me just go like to 107 just to see. I'll try this again. It has a lot of torque. I just think, yeah, that's it. Oh, it looks nice off-road. That's it, guys. 18.5 and 21 turn motor. I don't know. I think I have to check the pinion gear, but I'm gonna bash it first with this in the ball field in another video coming up soon, so stay tuned. And we're gonna see how hot the motor gets. If it's ice cold, I guess I could go up on the pinion gear, you know. I just threw something in there that I had. I don't even know what I had, but that's it. 18.5. Hope you enjoyed the run of this beauty. Looks like a beauty out in the sun. I can't wait to give it a go. That'll be up soon, so stay tuned for the video, guys. Appreciate you watching. I'll see you all next time. Just a little treat, taste of what it's gonna be like. Woo! Later, guys. Subscribe.